President Emerson Mnangagwa, in a bid to secure votes, promises over 11,000 title deeds to residents of Epworth, a densely populated informal settlement in Harare. Sounds good, right? Fast forward past the elections. At a grand event, the president hands out 265 securitized title deeds with a promise of more to come. But here's where it gets sticky. Despite the initial fanfare, it turns out only a select few, mostly those cozy with the ruling ZANU-PF party, actually receive these deeds. Now, I'm no mathematician, but something doesn't quite add up here. The residents of Epworth, those who were supposed to benefit from this grand promise, are left hanging, waiting for a resolution that never comes. And it's not just about paperwork, it's about security, belonging, and recognition by their own government. So, what happens now? The community is in an uproar, demanding transparency and the fulfillment of the promises made to them. They're calling for a process that doesn't just cater to the politically connected, but respects the rights of all citizens equally. And let's not forget the land barons, the real power brokers behind the scenes, contesting the authenticity of layout plans, making the situation even more complicated. In a country marked by its beautiful landscapes and vibrant cultures, it's disheartening to see such a vital issue mishandled. It's a reminder that the fight for fairness and justice doesn't stop at the ballot box. It continues in the daily lives of people, in their struggle for recognition and their right to call a piece of this earth their own. As this situation unfolds, let's hope for a resolution that brings not just deeds, but deeds that signify a true commitment to the people of Zimbabwe. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about land. It's about laying the foundations for a future where everyone is recognized, everyone is valued, and everyone has a place to call home. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep our eyes on this story. Because accountability, transparency, and justice aren't just buzzwords, they're necessities for a thriving society. Take care and see you next time.